Right, the fan's arrived today, so here's the fan. But with the fan, it's that deep, the enclosure for it. So what we're going to do is, got some wood, which is this thick here, so that's going to make a box for this. It's going to be like this, and this wood all the way around here, like this. So we're going to make a framework. We can then fasten the framework to the inside of the van roof. Then we've got something to, we'll fasten this to the roof, and then we can screw through from the outside into the wood, so it's not going to flex around and stuff. So all I'm doing now is just chopping these down really, about half the thickness of the one. I'm going to put them on there, glue them together. So that's what we're up to now. Right, so you can chisel them, or I've also found with chop saw, I can set the depth of it. So what I've done, I set the depth of my chop saw, so it's going to be kind of half the depth. Then just basically wing it across and just keep cutting slots off it. So we end up in the end with something like that kind of depth there. So I'm not going to show you, it's one hand and I'll cut my hands off. So I'll show you when it's done. Then we made the box, the framework for it, this here. So this is 280 width, length, everything. So inside the van now, up here, basically all we do is we place this up here, mark the corners out, put the holes in for the corners. Right, so now we're going to go on the roof now, see where they are, draw a straight line up on the top between those, make sure they are 280. And then jigsaw it out. So that's what we're going to do now. Holes in the roof now, just double checking. Obviously this is going to fit from the other side anyway, but hopefully that is going to fit in our hole. He said, it's got to go in that way, innit? Yep, that fits in the hole. So you can see the gaps, which are like here, the very corner there. On the reverse side of that, we're going to have the mastic pulling the gaps in there. Right, so that's the result there now. So now the frame we've got, which is this here now, we'll put some Sikaflex on there, and we'll get that stuck onto here now with some Sikaflex, put on there with some clamps. Right, it's in. It's amazing how wobbly the roof gets when you cut a hole in it as well. So you really do need to put this batten in here. Anyway, you've got to have that kind of framework made first of all. In there now. So yeah, so now it opens up. There's some air in, got your fly screen on there. Little fan on there as well. You can pull the air in or knock it out. And from the outside, it looks like this. So you can see there now. That's it. We're all in for now.